work with. Send them an email about something real quick. They'll get back to you right away as soon as possible. Their customer service is great, helping out with any tech issues that we may have with computers or with the cameras. They've been great to work with. This about the last year and a half I've been working with them. Their quality is much better than what we had been. Their work is neat. They clean up after themselves. They strive to deliver a quality product that you're going to be happy with. With them being about 4.5 hours away from us, yeah, it's a jaunt, but they get up here as soon as possible. They've always been willing to come up. If they can't come up that day, they're willing to help you out remotely over the phone, help you troubleshoot stuff. At the Oostra, Lyon County Sheriff's Office. Been with the Sheriff's Office for about 6 years now. Heading up most of the car builds, installs for about the last year and a bit. Help head up the project for our in-car computer and in-car camera system that we had KELTEK do for us.